Hello. Yeah, but why you addition so and then they be seeing how to keep washrooms clean. How to keep washrooms clean. Till class 5 for more and more washroom na more soaky paper. Na mo dey share close to me seal no. And then asa na ba beka no. Na and then you see the baby who where to be to say infection, clean, toilet, washroom, disinfectant. Yesia did I say, as I said, that tasi entire na yama yahuti. Say yahuti we are. Bibi nso hon message say ye na chime nya apomuden. Bibi ti say den, ye say ta dware. As I say twitwi ye sin. I say ye hore ensan why ade. Nso adefofo nso wo ho. Washroom. As I say ye keeping your washroom ho neat, e ma ho te. Aha. Na ba be hwe kwan ya betimi afa so na ya yesa. Sa wo pese wo washroom ti a, enwoma ben na wo hia na timi aboa ma washroom ho ayede, ho no mate. Nti ye be hia dustbins, nti ese nya waste bins esi ho no. Na ye di use tissue na ayede atum. Ye be hia toilet rolls, okay. Ye be hia toilet brush. Ye be hia disinfectant, okay. Ye hia mop enso ohonum. Ese nsuo eflow oho, ena semina enso ese bi ewo washroom ho. We mu ye nneoma bi a ye hia wo washroom na etimi aboan ma ya eden ye keep ho clean or ya dem. All right. Simple routine activities to keep washroom clean. Nneoma bi a ese de bia ye taye na ma washroom ho ate. Na di kan no. Ese de bia nso kwodwunso adwunso gubo wonum. Emma ne nsuso fem, emma ne nsuso closet no so nti toilet bowl de bia na wa ye den adwunso egum se na ho won for nisu ena keep tissues in waste bins. Men found to film. So we use tissue e washroom we are yem found to film. What the better waste bin name and internal waste bin esi hon. Remove and burn used tissues properly. Na ye waste no. Obe dispose in the ye. And I from one so esa wo tired den more bi ho se na be ya ho no be den ho no betse. So wo pese wo use toilet bowl nso a men squat e wo so obetina so nti engina so se na ehu onfoni mu enya ne say wo ye den obetina so you designing for that unless say and you design say yen squat wo so enye sa dia de bia na say wo ye den wo tina so and as we use water closet nso wi a say wo ye den ese say wo flash menja nneoma no ngum saa be flash ti de bia no se wo fi ho epia hwe hu se honom te se na wokoto ye no saa na ma honom ate aye kama adenti na hu hia se ye be keep your washroom clean na di kan no se keeping it cleaner e ma honom te se hu na ye kɔ hɔ nso ye be ubenya ahoto hu nyenya Let me know Emma Honum embon. Ena ye nya yare nso sense sisi omo honum ate. Nti ye nya yare and say infections bia. Emma kwan so ma insect emba ho ye nya emboa e wo honum. Se cockroach ne ho ansana ne ade ne emba sense ye ma honum ye den honum etse. Se ye nkipi ho yie na se ma honum ye fina ye koso yusu a or how ben na be ma ye nya. Nedi kind no ebema yenya yare ebenya infections let us immune ohonum so bebon na ebe spread yare nti yare no obi nya na another person so ayden enya ema kwan so ma insect ana embo anketenkete bi nso eba honum from one so for a ebetimi asleep ye be patre ne aboho ebo hon so ebema ayden ebema ye pie nti we hu ne nti esese ma ye washroom hot dey bia good so we hu dia na me so wa adwenhwe sampa we hu nti en fire quiz
state whether the following statements are true or false. Try say somebody to say yampa and yampa. Number 1. When you want to urinate, you can do it anywhere. So, person would just want which may will be false. Number 2. It is a good practice to urinate directly into the toilet bowl. And when here passes or person or Johnson, obey you say good toilet bowl no. Number 3. You can eat in your washroom if you keep it clean. So, who says your washroom? Which make did you honor? False. Number 4. In the absence of a toilet brush, you can use your hairbrush in the washroom. So, when you need toilet brush for her, which may use brush, I will use Timon or washroom. False. Number 5. One can easily be infected in a dirty washroom. Obi betimi ayare, so you use washroom hɔ yɛ fi a.
Mo why ade afei ma me mo application question baako to bo na dwen ho ye na ye ma me we are sending answer na ma comment section no.
Application question. Your school has noticed that some learners do not keep the washroom clean, leading to bad smell and the spread of infection. Explain how you would use disinfectant and other materials to keep the washroom clean and prevent infection. Usuku ashen so say, adesuafo ni bi emma washroom ho ehon ente na we di nkabone ene yare aba. Chakwan a odi disinfectant anandru ene inema hodo afoforo bebre beboa ma washroom ho anajanan bi ho ate na munya infections bia.
Ede na yesua ende yesua se ehu behia se ma ye washroom aye clean na hon mate eyesa emma yen yare na emo yebenya apomutin nti ede adesua ne besi ha na ya to aso da foforo kai se obepe kokromoti science textbook ni bi ato e wo bookshop bia mu na wesua. Bye bye.
Great job completing this lesson. Now, take the next step in your learning journey by practicing what you've learned. Continue learning on the Kokuramoti app, where you can complete assignments, watch more lesson videos, and take quizzes to test your knowledge. Download the app today from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Get your copy of the Kokuramoti interactive book today and enjoy a smarter, more engaging way to learn. For more information or further inquiries, please call 02-423-86554. Kokuramoti, making learning easy.